8 days after a blown call helped shape the outcome of the NFC Championship game, the NFL finally acknowledged its mistake in an official capacity. In a court document filed Sunday, lawyers for the NFL and Commissioner Roger Goodell wrote they do not dispute what Saints coach Sean Payton told reporters after the game, that the league called him and admitted the officiating error shortly after New Orleans' 26-23 overtime loss, and, because the officials on the field are humans, like the players and coaches, errors will happen. The NFL parties do not dispute that they have previously advised the Saints, including the club's head coach, that one or more penalties, for pass interference or illegal helmet-to-helmet contact, were mistakenly not called late in the NFC Championship game, and that the NFL would like its officials on the field to make these calls. The league's lawyers wrote, Rams defensive back nickel Robbie Coleman breaks up a pass intended for Saints wide receiver Tommy Lee Lewis, 11, on a third down play during the fourth quarter in the NFC Championship game. Photo, John David Mercer, USA Today Sports. This was acknowledged immediately after the game too. The coach of the New Orleans Saints by NFL Senior Vice President of Officiating Al Rivera. The NFL's acknowledgement came in a brief filed by New Orleans law firm Jones, Swanson, Huddle. More, illegal bets still rule Super Bowl, even as more states offer regulated action. More, NFL's game-changing tackles, remembering biggest hits in biggest games. In its brief, the league also argues that Goodell does not have authority to order that all or part of the game be replayed, as some had speculated. The league requests that a U.S. District Court judge throw out the lawsuit because this kind of dispute implicates no legally cognizable rights. At its essence, this suit was filed because the plaintiffs, fans and ticket holders of an athletic event, disagree with the outcome of that game, the NFL's lawyers argue. ESPN reported that Rams defensive back nickel Robbie Coleman was fined for the play in question, an apparent helmet-to-helmet hit on Tommy Lee Lewis. Robbie Coleman said after the game that he thought a penalty flag should have been thrown on the play. The Rams will face the New England Patriots in Super Bowl 53 on Sunday. Contact Tom Shad at tshad@usatoday.com or on Twitter at Tom Shad.